Welcome to the next module. Let's talk about the key question. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency, called Ether, or ETH, and its own programming language called Solidity. As a blockchain network, Ethereum is a decentralized public ledger for verifying and recording transactions. The network's users can create, publish, monetize, and use applications on the platform, and use its Ether cryptocurrency as payment. These decentralized applications on the network are called dApps. Ethereum was created to enable developers to build and publish smart contracts and distributed applications that can be used without the risks of downtime, fraud, or interference from a third party. A decentralized version of code and internet all together in one. Ethereum describes itself as the world's programmable blockchain. It distinguishes itself from Bitcoin as a programmable network that serves as a marketplace for financial services, games, and apps, all of which can be paid for in Ether cryptocurrency and are safe from fraud, theft, or censorship, whereas the Bitcoin blockchain can only be mined or harvested and is not designed for use in creating or publishing on. Ethereum is an open source blockchain-based platform that allows everyone to create and share business, financial services, and entertainment applications. Ethereum users pay fees to use dApps, and these are called gas fees, because they vary depending on the amount of computational power required. And these fees are paid with the network's native token ETH. Now, it must be noted that gas prices vary, and the amount of gas needed to complete a transaction also varies depending on the type of action you are attempting to complete on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is now second only to Bitcoin in market capitalization, or market cap, and has established itself as the dominant publishing blockchain in the crypto world. Ethereum has the most dApps and is the most well-established out of all Layer 1 altcoins, which means altcoins that operate on their own blockchain. Not only is it the largest and most established Layer 1, but it also has the most Layer 2 applications built on it, which include some of the most popular altcoins like Polygon or Matic. So the building that takes place on Ethereum blockchain is possible through the implementation of their language, smart contracts. Smart contracts are simply programs stored on a blockchain that run when predetermined conditions are met. They typically are used to automate the execution of an agreement so that all participants can be immediately certain of the outcome without any intermediaries' involvement or time loss. Once again, removing the need for a trusted third party. They can also automate a workflow, triggering the next action when conditions are met. Smart contracts work by following simple if, when, then statements that are written into code on a blockchain, acting as an on and off switch with often the most simple conditions. A network of computers executes these actions when these predetermined conditions have been met and verified. These actions could include releasing funds to the appropriate parties, registering a vehicle, sending notifications, or issuing a ticket. The blockchain is then updated when the transaction is completed. That means the transaction cannot be changed, and only parties who have been granted permission can see the result of the smart contract. Ethereum was launched in July 2015 by a small group of blockchain enthusiasts. That group included Joe Lubin, founder of Consensus, and Vitalik Buterin, who is credited with originating the Ethereum concept and now serves as its CEO and public face. Buterin is believed to now be the youngest crypto billionaire in the world, being born in only 1994. The Ether cryptocurrency was designed to be used within the Ethereum network exclusively. However, like Bitcoin, Ether is now an accepted form of payment by some merchants and service vendors. Overstock, Shopify, Cheap Air are among the online sites that accept Ether as a payment. The founders of Ethereum were among the first to consider the potential of blockchain technology for uses beyond the secure trading of virtual currency. Its ETH cryptocurrency was created solely as a medium of payment for apps built on its own platform. However, over time, it has become one of the crypto investors' favorite coins and a staple in portfolios. Its invulnerability to hackers and other snoopers has opened up possibilities for the storage of private information all the way from healthcare records to voting systems. Its reliance on cryptocurrency opened up opportunities for programmers to create and market games and businesses, any applications on the network. The ETH blockchain may be invulnerable to hacker attacks, but it's certainly not for lack of trying. In 2016, a malicious actor stole more than $50 million worth of Ether that had been raised for a project called the DAO. The successful raid was blamed on a third-party developer, and the Ethereum community opted to simply reverse the theft by creating a hard fork, therefore invalidating the existing blockchain and creating a second Ethereum blockchain. The original is now called Ethereum Classic. Now you may be wondering, what's next? The number of ETH coins in circulation crossed the 100 million mark back in 2018, but unlike Bitcoin, there's no limit to the number of ETHs that can be created. Ethereum is currently undergoing a long-awaited upgrade known as Ethereum 2.0, which is intended to allow the network to scale up while addressing congestion problems that have slowed it down in the past. Along with this effort towards ETH 2.0, Ethereum has just become a fully deflationary asset at the tail end of 2021, meaning that more ETH is being burned than is being created. This will decrease the total supply slowly and help to drive value up over the long term. Now, join us in the next module where we will be going over what is an NFT.